I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Good morning, vlog. I hope everyone's day is off to a good start. Mine is. I walked home from Connor's this morning. We stayed in bed like definitely way later than we should have. It's already past 10 a.m. right now. Not great considering I've done nothing because I came home, got changed, and sat on the couch. Now I'm catching up on Vlogmas episodes, so it just is like ridiculous. But I have little Molly cat here. Come here, let's do a proper snuggle while I'm chit-chatting. You know, you guys, quarantine is so boring. Like, I hate not having plans. It sucks. I know we've been doing this for so many months, but I'm just going through another phase of like, this sucks. I'm just bored all the time. It's very lame. You know what I'm really in the mood to do? I'm in the mood to have a girls' night with Tara and just get like too drunk together. Oh, it's so depressing that she's not here in LA to do that with. I miss her so much. It's so sad. I'm just envisioning it, and it would be so fun. Just hanging out, getting drunk, eating shitty food together. That's all I want to do. It's so sad. Living in a different country from your best friend. 0 out of 10, would not recommend. Also, you guys, I gotta show you my outfit. If this is not like an ode to the juicy sweatsuit, then I really don't know what is. It's like a more elevated version of it. I unboxed this yesterday. It's from Revolve. The brand is Michael Costello. Just a little like cropped hoodie. And then these matching pants. Although I am learning that cat hair sticks to it very aggressively, so it's not really ideal, but there's cat hair all over everything I own, so what does it really matter? Okay, friends, here we go. Time to get creative with our lunch because I'm so bored. We are going to, I think, attempt to make some sort of spicy chicken sandwich situation. Now, here is the one thing is that I don't really have the kind of bread that ideally you would use for this sandwich. I only have sourdough bread. So I don't know if that's gonna ruin it, but fuck it, we're just gonna go for it. My lips are so chapped. You know, you guys, I am, Molly cat. I just noticed something that you were in such big trouble for. Look at this. She clearly took this off of my tree and has been playing with it as a toy. Look at it, it's like covered in hair. Molly. Bad girl, Molly. No, stop reaching for it. This is not a toy for you to play with, Molly cat. I want these to stay nice. These are my nice new ornaments. No. Hey, I wonder where this was. All of the ornaments on my tree were perfectly balanced. Now she stole this one. I should put it up higher, I guess. Molly cat, not a toy. Anyway, I am so dehydrated, you guys. I'm dying. My lips are so chapped. Also, I need to put another load of laundry in, breaking out over here. My life is falling apart. I do think that I should maybe use some of my Vital Proteins though, and try to hydrate a little bit more. Maybe even like 2 packs of it today. Luckily, the strawberry flavored one is so stinking good. Oh my God, that's good though. Tastes so good. Okay, we're using these cauliflower chicken tenders again. They were really good, so I am excited. This guy. Okay, so I really don't know what else to put on the sandwich because I really never make stuff like this. I'm thinking cucumber because that'll be like cooling with the spicy. And then lettuce, and I'm thinking I'm going to leave it at that. I know that's sort of boring. Maybe some onion could be good. So I do have onion in the fridge, but I don't know, how do you cut onion for a sandwich? What is the procedure? I already diced half the onion, so like I could use the dice, but I feel like that's not what should be on a sandwich. I don't know, but I can maybe mix it in the sauce. We are just making this shit up here, you guys. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm just gonna put some sriracha ranch. I don't wanna like use up all of this, so I think I'm gonna mix in some mayonnaise. There we go. So now we have like a sriracha ranch mayonnaise. And then we just need to get some onion in there. That is a fully loaded sandwich, you guys. How the hell am I even gonna eat that? This is gonna be a nightmare. I don't know. I may be in over my head. I do have a feeling this whole thing will fall apart, but I don't care. Okay, I don't know how this is gonna go, you guys, to be totally honest. I'm guessing not very well. I guess we're just gonna try to take a bite and see how it goes. It tastes bomb. I feel like honestly the real problem here is the bread. It's not sturdy enough bread to like hold such a big fat sandwich. This piece just broke off. What am I gonna do? Okay, I'm gonna go struggle with this. and enjoy it. Okay, it is the end of the day now. As you can see, I took a shower. I did that after lunch. That way I would have time for my hair to dry while I finish up work. What time is it actually? 4:30 right now, and I actually am pretty much through my to-do list, I think. Well, actually, I guess I want to work on editing this vlog a little bit, just the stuff that I have so far. But other than that, I am done, so that's really good. And my hair has been up in this guy for a couple of hours, so I feel like I can take it down. It should be in pretty good shape. And I thought now would be a good time to do a hair check with you. So I know this is a new channel, although there is like a lot of overlap, but just a quick synopsis in case you don't know what I'm talking about. I'm in the process of growing out my naturally curly hair, been getting it chemically straightened for like 13 or 14 years of my life, something like that. I can't remember now. I've been on this journey for quite a while now. I will try to remember to link some of my other hair videos down below from my vlog channel. But once a month, I like to do a little check-in about things I'm liking, measure my growth of my curls. And actually, I didn't get a chance to do this last month because I don't know, I think it just didn't fit into my schedule the way that I wanted it to. So it has been 2 months since my last check-in. Not a whole lot has changed in my routine. Oh, I know. So I finally got a wide tooth comb to use in the shower, and that is what I was doing. But honestly, I didn't love it. Like I just didn't like using this brush. I felt like it was pulling at my hair sort of hard. So instead of using this in the shower, I've been using this to part my hair when I'm braiding it. And then when I'm in the shower, because obviously I don't brush or comb my hair or anything because it messes with the curls, but I just let my hair sort of run under the water, and I just run my fingers through my hair and pull apart sort of any little knots that I'm feeling or anything like that. It helps pull out like a lot of the hair that's fallen out but is stuck in my curls, so that's good. And I just find that that's like a lot more gentle on my hair. I can like sort of feel what's happening and go in there and like pull it apart a little bit better if there is anything. So I guess that's a little change. So quickly I'll measure my hair growth here so that we can sort of check in. I haven't done this in a little while, so I'm hoping that we have some progress. I am also ready for another haircut. I think I'm gonna do that maybe next week. I sort of like to go into this middle part of my hair to the root, maybe to like there. Let's see what it was last time I measured. Shoot, I didn't write it down. I'll have to go back in and look at my last check because apparently I did not add it into this note. I believe that it was at 15.5 centimeters and now I'm at 18.5 centimeters. So that's pretty good for 2 months. These top layers are definitely what's taking the longest to grow out, but like these bottom ones, they're like pretty much almost there. Like I could definitely cut this and just have it be my natural curls. Okay, you guys, there you go. Hair's all braided. Let's grab some bobby pins. I always get this one little curly guy who just like sticks up, but that's okay. So it goes with curly hair, right? And voila, we did it. Guys, I could not find Molly Cat anywhere, and I just spotted her. Or I don't know, I wasn't really looking for her. I assumed she was just under my bed. But anyway, just found her and I have to show you. Guys, Molly is under here. Look at her. Hi. Hi, cutie. You were sleeping under the shelf? Why? That's silly. Why were you doing that? That was very funny, Molly Cat. Why were you sleeping under there? You just felt like it? That's fine. It's so funny. You're following me now? That's good. Well, guys, it is suddenly 9 p.m. I finished work around 7, and then I've just been like relaxing, watching Schitt's Creek, being on my phone, you know, just chilling, which has been so nice. But now it is definitely dinner time. I had no idea it was this late, and I'm thinking that we're gonna try one of these cacio e pepe pastas. Very intrigued to see how this will be. Okay, let's see. Get a light on. Interesting, okay. We're just gonna see how this goes. We got the pasta and the sauce in there with some water, and we're gonna wait and see what happens here. Guys, this is really coming together. Look at it. Oh, I'm so excited. It's gonna be so good. Okay, this came together so quick and easy, and look at it. Oh my God, it's so good. I wish I had some mushrooms because that would be really yummy in this, I think. Like I would throw it in there, but whatever. This is gonna be so stupid good, I think. Oh my God. I am so excited. Okay, wow. This Looks like it really brought it. I am very, very excited to dive in on this meal. Okay guys, we have to do this taste test together and then I have to figure out what I want to watch tonight. What do I want to watch? Maybe an episode of The Crown. I've been starting that show. It's really good. Okay, dive into this. So good. I think I would give it a 9 out of 10. I wish it was slightly, like this much less peppery, which is why it's maybe even like a 9.5. It's basically perfect, but it is pretty peppery. It is cacio e pepe, don't get me wrong. I want it to be peppery, but maybe it's slightly too much, but whoa, this is so good. I made it in like, I don't know, 5 minutes, 10 minutes max. It tastes so good. You guys, this is delicious. I am very happy. I'm going to enjoy my meal, put on, I guess, The Crown. So should I just like keep going with Friday Night Lights? All right, I'm just gonna do Friday Night Lights. I know that's boring. I really should watch The Crown. Maybe I will watch an episode of The Crown. Never mind, I'm gonna watch an episode of The Crown. All right, let's do it.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?